Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just doing a quick little video of organizing this messy container cupboard that's above my microwave. Like, did you just see that? The lid falling out? That's why this needed done. This is far beyond needing done. This needed done for a long time. So I just wanted to give you some quick motivation, to get up there, and if you have if you guys have an organized container cupboard, then seriously, good for you, because mine has been a wreck for a long time, but not anymore. So I thought maybe, I'll just give you a little motivation to get in and get something organized that you've just kind of been putting off. But yeah, and I am not a tall individual, so I'm standing on my swivel bar stool chair, so if you see me wobbling and when I'm giving you close-up images and it's a little shaky and wobbly, I'm sorry for that, but that's, that was just a situation. I didn't feel like going and getting a ladder, so I was standing on a swivel bar stool, and I definitely have some shaky moments. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of, organizing motivation to, get up there and get something done that maybe you've been putting off. So I'm interested to know, what do you guys do with all your containers like this? Do you have a little cupboard up on top of something, a weird out of place, just out of the way place that you shove them into? Or do you keep them somewhere else? Is it neat? Is it organized? Or is it kind of a wreck like mine was? I'm just curious to know. And if you don't use, if you have one of these little cupboards in your house, on top of your fridge or on top of your microwave or whatever, like I do, what do you stick up there that you're not? Because I would think that's why my containers are up there, because I don't necessarily get a container down every single day. So I'm just curious, what do you guys stick in your out of the way cupboards? I'm curious. Let me know down below. So these little organizers that I'm using to organize, that you can see, those little white organizers, those are actually from the Dollar Tree, and they're surprisingly very nice for coming from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, this was super inexpensive project to do because those were only $1. Okay guys, I had to come down to the bottom and just get an extra little shot, like looking up at my cupboard, just simply because it looked so good from the floor even. So I just had to get a shot from down there. But thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more cleaning, organization, remodeling, all kinds of things. And thanks for watching. If you like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out. I appreciate you all, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.